Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to explain how you can create and assign custom roles to your group members on Google Groups. So let us get started. In the first step, navigate to your account on Google Groups, log into it and select My Groups on the left hand side. Next, go through a list of all groups you have either created or joined and click into this gear icon here to the right to access the given group's settings. Next, guys, what you want to do is here on the left hand side, select Member Moderation. And here under Member Moderation and above Member Privacy, you will see that option, Create Custom Role. Click into it. Create your custom role by giving it a name, like for example, I don't know, regular member or something like that, or visitor. And describe it below with up to 1000 characters, So let me enter just an example text here and confirm by clicking into Create Role. And now your role has been created so that you can, for example, assign it to your members in your group members settings here on the left hand side. Go through that list in that menu and assign the role you just created to the given member. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.